Welcome to Imperial CAD system. In this video I will show you what does command transition do in UGNX. So where you see this transition command in Unigraphics, you have to go for menu, insert, surface, transition. So what does this command do? This is a surface command, nothing but it generates a surface connecting through different profiles. In this case, the profile you can take multi profiles. See, like I want to connect surface in 4 ways. That means I go to plane, I offset this plane at some 150 distance, 100 mm distance. I take another plane parallel to that. Four ways. Perpendicularly I am taking 4 planes. See another, this plane, 100 mm distance, another plane in reverse direction. See, create profiles, open profiles on these planes. Go to sketch, select this plane, OK. I create one profile with any shape. Finish sketch. Like this, create open profiles on all these planes. Downside, the sketch is downside, turn downside, so I'm creating profile somewhat bigger than the previous one. Same I repeat. Finish sketch. See, nothing but it generates surface connecting all these profiles. Go for transition, menu, insert, design feature, sorry, not design feature, go to surface, transition, select profile. See, in this you have to select properly, select this, then go for add new set. Don't directly select this profile, so it will take as a single curve. Only it considers all these 6 profile as a single section. So uncheck this one by holding shift and select this. Add new set, select add new set, select this profile. See, again go for add new set, this one. See, I have selected 3 profiles. See, we got a surface connecting all these 3 profiles. I also select this profile now. Double click on that. Add new set. We have to go to add new set. Add new set. This profile. See, if it is like this, you won't get the output. So you'll get error. You can see twist in that surface. See, what is that error? See here. If you double click this, see, delete this section 4. Then select here inside this side. I once again select, I delete this, the entire profile, entire output. See, insert surface transition. See, first I select this profile, add new set, then select here. See, if it is like this, you won't get the output. See, you won't get the output. Reverse this arrow. Now you will get. Now go for add new set. See, if you select this side, so there is a difference between selecting the outside one and the inside element. See, if I select this, okay, we will get like this. Then add new set. Yes. See, in case I delete this, add new set, this profile. If I select like this, the outside element, so we won't get. You will get error. So reverse this arrow so that it will set. Then go for OK. See here, a surface formed connecting all these profiles, 4 passages. You will get a surface. So like this, we use a transition option, and you can also select not only line profile. See, now what I do is I delete this surface. See, after that, after generating this surface, you have to add thickness. To add thickness, go for menu, insert, offset and scale, go for thicken. Select this transition option. See, 2 mm thickness. I want 3 mm thickness. Then go for OK. So this is a transition option. Just applying a color. See here. So without this command, you have to use more number of options to generate this type of output, and also you won't get as perfect as this. So by using this multi-section, this multi-section solid or like swept command you can use, but you have to use a more number of options to generate this. So this is the option, transition option, which you can get this type of output. Thank you for watching this video. For more videos, subscribe Imperial CAD System.